Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to delete a folder on the Finder application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Finder application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way on to the dock. Go to the Finder application. And now in the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you 3 different ways to create folders within the Finder application. In this tutorial, we will look to remove these folders. So let's go to Videos 2023. Right click, move to Bin. That's way number 1. Let's now go all the way on to the dock, go to the bin, empty. And now technique number 2, click on the folder, go to the menu bar, file, move to bin. That's going to the bin, go all the way on to the dock again, go to the bin, empty, enter. Technique number 3, if we click on the 3rd folder, and now use a keyboard shortcut, Command and Delete. That has now deleted the folder, moved it to the bin. Let's now go over onto the dock again, go to the bin, empty. Yes, so we can now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.